explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 18 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is comprehension, right? तो यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं comprehension. Now what is the comprehension? First of all, let us know this. So the word comprehension means understanding. तो comprehension word का मतलब ही होता है understanding, समझना. The students have to read the passage given for comprehension and answer the questions given based on the passage. तो वो comprehension में यही करना होता है कि they have to read the comprehension जो कि उन्हें दिया हुआ होता है passage के form में and they have to understand it and after that वहीं पर कुछ questions होते हैं जो कि उस comprehension से related होते हैं. They have to answer those questions from the comprehension only, right? So here we have some examples of it. Let us try them so that we can easily do them afterwards. So they say, read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. तो यहाँ पर हमें कुछ एक comprehension दिया हुआ है और नीचे कुछ questions हैं जो कि इस comprehension पर ही based है. जल्दी से इन्हें पढ़ते हैं और नीचे दिए गए क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो they say Florence Nightingale was born at Florence in Italy. Her parents called her Florence after her birthplace. She came back with her father and mother to live in England. Here, at first, the little girl and her elder sister were very happy. Her parents had several lovely houses. The houses had several pleasure gardens to play in. All went on well. Florence grew older. New ideas came to her mind. More and more she wanted to help the poor folk who lived nearby. She visited them in their cottages. She tried to care for them when they were ill. Even as a little girl, she had played games of nursing her dolls and bandaging her dog when it was hurt. Now she wanted to be a real nurse for herself when she was grown up, right? So we read the comprehension very clearly and very thoroughly. Now let us have a look on the questions. So the first question says, where was the Nightingale born? So we all read it just now that the Nightingale was born at Florence in Italy, right? Next, the question says, why was she named Florence? तो उसका नाम फ्लोरेंस क्यों रखा गया था? तो हर पेरेंट्स कॉल्ड हर फ्लोरेंस आफ्टर हर बर्थ प्लेस, क्योंकि उसके बर्थ प्लेस का नाम भी फ्लोरेंस था, इसीलिए उसके पेरेंट्स स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग हर फ्लोरेंस ओनली, राइट? नेक्स्ट, हाउ डिड शी ट्राई टू हेल्प द पुअर पीपल? तो अब वो कैसे उन पुअर लोगों की हेल्प करती थी, राइट? So this also we read in the paragraph only. Let's find it out कि हमने ये कहाँ पढ़ा कि how did she help the poor? So we read here that more and more she wanted to help the poor folk who lived nearby. She visited them in their cottages and she tried to care for them when they were ill. Right? Even as a little girl, she had played games of nursing her dogs and bandaging when her dog was hurt. Right? Next, what games did she play as a little girl? As we told right now, यहाँ हमने पढ़ा भी even as a little girl, she had played games of nursing her dolls or bandaging her dog when it was hurt. Right? The same answer goes for the question. Next is, what was her ambition? So ambition means what was her aim? तो उसका aim था to become a real nurse herself when she was grown up, right? So this was the paragraph. This was the comprehension actually that we solved very easily. Now let's move ahead and look at. Okay, so that was all about the chapter comprehension. I hope you all found it interesting as well as very easy to read the comprehension and answer the questions that follow, right? So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it and gathered a lot more information from here. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.